So I didn't see a comment on one of my Voicemod videos on how that he couldn't figure out how to upload and download voices or soundboards anymore. Now Voicemod has completely changed this now, where pretty much it's all built into the app, or into the software. So once you have the software downloaded, you might notice now you have the community sound and community voice. Community sound is obviously the sound mode, and community voice is the customized voices that you can add and download straight to your Voicemod, which I ain't complaining because it does makes it really handy with these both features built in. So first of all, I'm going to show you the download side of things, obviously because that's going to be the easiest things, and then also then I'll show you the upload. So the uploads. The download schedule, we'll do our voice first, so I can just click on a random voice, and you're able to test them out too. As now, you can hear my voice being completely different with the bit of a war why it is standard. If you want to use like another voice, just give it a try. For example, I'll just choose one you randomly. Is like for the video. So there you go, give me a little demo. Click on the little mic. Turn on my things for background view. And now you're able to tell it's completely different. Now, if you do manage to find a voice that you really like and when you want to add to your Voicemod or to your Voicemod collection, all you do is leave the little love heart, and now you should be able to see it in your voice. That's simple. Do you know what I mean? That's simple. You can just by clicking on it and just use it as a demo try it seems like it will just automatically add to your collection. Soundboards for the download wise is exactly the same. So all you want to do is to listen to the soundboard you want to use. So for the how to download the soundboard button is to click on one of these. Alright, for example, I'm going to just download that, so add that to voice sound. There we go, and then it give me an option on what like soundboard selection I'll put on. I'm going to put the TTS. So I'm going to click add. Does take a while sometimes depending on Wi-Fi speed. And I'm going to add another one. So I'm just going to add that one. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Get it, add it there. Click add. And there we go. Now, boom. There's the soundboards already now in my soundboard chat or my soundboard selection that I want them in. The down upload for soundboard seems to be slightly different to what I would personally think. So we would focus on we will focus on upload of soundboard. So for some reason you have to go all the way down to your soundboards or the soundboard community on the Okay, so now that you know how to download the soundboards, how about how to upload a soundboard? So now to upload the soundboard, you have to go back to community sounds. Then you want to scroll all the way down until you see a link. It says upload your sound. Click on upload sound. Find a way it's saved on your PC. So like I'm using this Dalek Doctor Who one, Doctor Who Dalek one. It says it just exterminate. I'm going to just leave the title alone. I'm going to put the title as games, and I'm going to just put Doctor Who, and Doctor. Even I could go more in detail Dalek, but purpose of this, I'm just going to just go with the flow. So again, I'm going to just add a little random description. Even though again I could go properly now, going Dalek from Doctor Who, shouldn't exterminate. Then you need to upload an image. So purposely for this, I'm just chucking in a random picture of an ARC code that I was doing for work. Even by the way, you can scan that. That's fine if you wanted to. Then that's all I gotta do is to click upload. And now there it is. So if I manage to find, why is my account, so TS21. Obviously right now after my dark one is downloading, it's uploading. So once that is uploaded, then people on Voicemod should be able to see your soundboard. So that's how to upload your own soundboard. Once it's uploaded, people can find it. Now for your voice, for your sound, it actually is slightly different now for your voice, for your custom voice. So what you want to do is to go to your custom voice. Then, for example, I'm going to use Sinner Alone. Then what you want to go to is to go down to the side, click on Share, and copy the link the Voicemod will give you by default. From here then you'll now go to Community Voices, click Add a new voice, click in the link that Voicemod gives you for your one, upload an image if you want to, give it a name, so send in Alone, I spelled it wrong, but I'll give it a description, add it into whatever one you want to put it in. That's got at least be a minimum of 20. There we go. I'm just gonna, there we go, make up my tags and click add. I really need to add an image. It's gonna just, I don't know, random image and click add sound, add new voice. Now it says thank you for everything you've done, then it'll be shared with the community soon. So once obviously it goes for that process and testing through Voicemod side of things, that voice now is gonna be completely free for everybody on Voicemod. That is good. Everybody that for completely free on Voicemod, so they can use it as whatever they want. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.